We cannot stop the time, but we can run with the time. What are the four steps for effective time management? These are: first is plan and organize, second is prioritize, third is control, and fourth is track. We will learn each of these steps one by one. First is plan and organize. We should plan our day to day activities. We should make a timetable that we should follow. Pick those tasks you have already completed. Ensure to finish tasks within the stipulated time frame. We should keep our surroundings and study table clean and mess free. We should put things back where they belong. It helps save time. If we do not keep the things in order, we may have to waste a lot of time to trace the same as and when they are required. Second step for effective time management is prioritize. Make the priority list of the tasks as per their importance and urgency. High priority work should be on the top. Now, the difference between important and urgent work. Urgent work is influenced by time and needs to be done immediately. For example, tasks with impending deadlines. Important matters do not need to be done in the near future, but not doing them eventually has strong negative consequences. Important tasks contribute to long term goals and life values. For example, the presentation you would like to make for a promotion. These tasks require planning and thoughtful action. What is important is subjective and depends on your own values and personal goals. No one else can define what is important for you. Third step is control. We can control our activities and time. Develop the habit of doing the right thing at the right time. Work done at the wrong time is not of much use. Do not waste a complete day on something which can be done in an hour or so. We should not spend too much time on internet surfing, Facebook or Twitter, or making personal calls, and should focus on more important things. We should turn off social media app alerts. It is important to have peace of mind. This is very important. And stay focused on the task at hand. Fourth step for effective time management is track. We should identify and note where we have spent our time. This will help us analyze if we have used our time effectively or not. It also helps us to identify time wasting activities. People who manage their time well are more productive, more efficient, and more likely to meet deadlines and achieve the goals. Now, the examples of good time management. Richa is always punctual at school. She does her assignments in time. She plans for study and playtime in advance. Next example of good time management: Raman met his friend Sunil after a long time. The two friends started discussing their lives. Sunil told that despite his hectic job as the CEO of a startup, he does meditation, writes books, and also spends times on hobbies such as gardening. He also spends time with his family and takes 3 to 4 vacations every year. Raman asked Sunil how he managed to do so many works. Raman was finding it difficult to complete his office work on time each day. He regularly works late hours in office. He was finding it very difficult to spend time on exercise, meditation, and hobbies, etc. Sunil told that he was very particular about time management. He planned each day carefully and ensured that he made optimal use of every minute. Now, example of poor time management. Tanya arrives late in class usually. She does not submit her assignments in time. She spends much of her time in internet surfing and pays less attention to her studies. The time of tackling tasks is important. Tasks requiring high levels of concentration and mental energy are often done at the beginning of the day when a person is more refreshed. Modern technologies, 24-hour news, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, text messaging constantly bombard us with information. We are living in a continuous, always on situation and lose our sense of long term narrative and direction. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.